Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you were meant for me. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you were. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, one for me.
Hey guys, Nash here. So finally I was able to get iOS 12 layout on my Android phone, and in this video I will show you how you can get the same iOS 12 on your phone. It doesn't require any root and it works for all Android phones. So let's get started. So guys, as you can see, it's completely functional. Here you get iOS home screen, iOS control center and iOS notification menu, and everything looks neat here. And in last few weeks, many people asked me to get iOS 12 ROM for Android phones. Unfortunately guys, there is no Android custom ROM based on iOS that you can install on Android phone. But this is the closest you can get to iOS 12. And yes, this is not a launcher. In this layout, you get complete iOS 12 status bar also, and because of that, it doesn't look like Android phone. And now I will show you how to install this iOS 12 on your phone. So first of all, go to Play Store and install this app called KLWP Pro. Once you install that app, go to description box below and then download this iOS 12 file. Now open the app, swipe right and go to load preset. In that, select this folder icon and locate that file. Once you select the file, tap on OK. And press save button. And now you have fully functional iOS on your phone. So guys, like this video if you appreciate my work on this channel. I'm working on Windows 10 on Android phone layout, and that will be ready in few days, so press the bell icon if you don't want to miss that video. And if you want to see more unique setups, then I will drop a video in I button as well as in the description box below. This is your friend Nash signing out, and I will see you tomorrow.